Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox assets not loading. To start the process, open your Google Chrome and search for roblox.com. Now click on the three dots on your top right. Here, click on Settings. After that, click on Privacy and Security. Now click on Security. Scroll down and select the option of Google Public DNS from Use Secure DNS section. Now go to your search bar. Here, click on View Network Connections. To access network connections, right-click on Wi-Fi. Then, click on Properties. After that, click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now select the option of Use the following DNS server addresses. Then enter the preferred DNS server. Enter the alternate DNS server. After that, click on OK. Here, click on OK. Your issue has been resolved. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.